Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and today is part 2 of Paletteopoly. Today is the day that Renee and I are doing the looks. Madame Matte Lipstick picked my colors, and Madame Contour picked Renee's colors. We have each been given our mission, what was written in the cards, and today we're going to create a look using those colors. Let me show you one more time what this beautiful palette looks like. It is absolutely stunning. So much prettier in person than it is on this computer screen. I'm here to tell you I'm super excited about the palette. I don't know that I'm super excited about the challenge that has been given to me. I'll have Renee's video linked down in the description box so that when you're done watching me create this hot mess, you can run over and see what kind of hot mess Renee has got going on. I got my card here with all of my colors on it and where those shadows are going to go. I'm going to put a picture right here showing you all of the colors that were chosen for me. I have already put on my base makeup. I have primed and set my eyes. Let's get right into it. Winning shade number 1. Boy band. Where does that go? In my crease. I'm not sure whether to take a fluffy brush or a flat brush or my finger. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing here. I'm going to start off with this fluffy brush and see what happens. Pick that up on my brush and start placing that in my crease. Well, the first thing I'm going to say is this is a true testament to the Ace Beaute formula, because look how easy that went on with a fluffy brush when it's a shimmer, and I don't see any fallout on my cheeks. I'm just going to build that up. Y'all let me know down in the comments how many of y'all picked up this Ace Beaute palette in game. That really is pretty in the crease. I don't know that I would have put a shimmer in the crease. So this palette and the game are available on the Ace Beaute website for $49.99. Or you can get the whole set for $159.99, the limited edition PR box. I just got the game and the palette. I didn't get the lipsticks and the lashes. Not because I didn't want them, I just didn't want to spend the $159. I think if I remember correctly, I don't know whether it was in their email or on their Instagram that said you pretty much pay $49, $49.99 for the palette, and the game is free. It's such a great idea, really, to help you do things that you wouldn't normally do. And I mean, you can play, and if you don't want to show anybody, you certainly don't have to show anybody. You can just sit at home and play with your makeup, like I keep telling y'all. Play with your makeup. See how pretty that is? Who knows, when I'm done, this whole shimmer in my crease might be a new thing. That blends out so well. Their formulas are amazing. They really are. There we go. So far, so good. Let's see what Madame Matte Lippie picked for my second shade. For my outer corner, she picked Fashion. Oh, okay. Here's where it's going to get a little crazy, because this shade right here, that is Fashion. This pink. That pink goes in my outer corner. So let's swatch that and see what that looks like. Ooh, goodness. That is so pretty. There's the two together so far. Alright, what am I putting that hot pink on with? Let's get I'm going to use this flat brush. Outer corner. Let's try a fluffy brush. A little fluffy brush and see what happens. Shall we? That actually goes on better. I'm going to try my pinky. That's so pretty. Oh yeah. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Winning shade number 3 is right here, Digital Pet, and that goes on my lid. So I'm going to take that same little detail brush. Yep. Seems odd to have such a dark color on my lid. Here's where we are so far. The next color that goes into my inner corner is VHS, and that is this color right here. That's got a shift to it. You see it? Very pretty. That's going to help with the darkness of that purple, because I'm going to pull it. I believe that might have a little bit of green in it too. I'm going to pull that kind of up on my lid just a little bit. I'm going to have to do that with my finger. Just a little bit of that. And of course, you know, when you put lashes and liner and all that good stuff on, it always makes it all come together. So I ain't worried. Winning shade number 5, which goes on my lash line, is shoulder pads. At least everything was kind of sort of in the same color family. That's what shoulder pads looks like. So those are all the colors. Going to grab my little rougher brush, and I'm trying to smoke that out some. There we go. Then we'll take a clean brush, just blend that out. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and tidy this up a little bit and put some of that purple and stuff back in. I'm not going to make y'all sit through all that, and then I'll be back to talk about lashes and lip. Okay, so just to give you a comparison, I went back in and deepened the colors and blended them a little bit better on this eye, and it's different. You can see I may need to put just a little bit more of that pink, but you can really see the pink there in the outer corner. Made it look a lot better. I do, however, feel like I need to blend this edge just a little bit. I just took a flat brush. There we go. I took this Angie Hot and Flashy flat brush and some setting spray to get those colors in there a little bit deeper. Okay, now I will do the other eye and we'll come back and talk about lashes and lip. I just wanted to show you the comparison of how different that looks. It's very vampy. Okay, so here are both eyes done. I just need some lashes and probably some liner to tie it all in together in a lip. And you pick your lashes and lip based on your score. Move along, move along. There's Madame Contour's Familiar again. So my score was 16. Renee's was 9. Mine was 16. So, if your card value is 10 or more, go for fuller, longer lashes. So that means I gotta go big and go for a bold lip color. And I actually have an Ace Beaute lip that I have not used yet. I don't remember whether or not it's bold, but I'm going to see. If it's bold, I will wear it. If not, then I'll pick another color. So I'll be right back. And so this is the final look. Not too shabby. What do y'all think? So I had some lashes that were a lot more flamboyant than this. This is kind of a little out there for me, but Madame Contour had already worn those lashes, so I went with these. They're Allure. And the Ace Beaute Lippie that I have, which is Good Vibes, is the shade name. Look at how beautiful that is. Can you believe I have not taken this out of the box and used it yet? It is a very pretty nude brown. Very, very pretty. So that definitely was not bold enough. That looks like it may have a little bit of orange in it, but don't you love that packaging? That is just stunning. I will be using that in an upcoming video. So for a bold look and something that kind of would go with this, I went with this Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Scorpio, which I am. And then I went for this Melt Cosmetics Lippie from their Mariposa launch that they did. Look at how beautiful that is. It has beautiful embossing on it. So, so pretty. And I had not worn this yet. So that's what I have on. Paletteopoly. So would I go out in public like this? Depending on where I was going, absolutely I would go out in public like this. The great thing about this game, in my opinion, is they're right. It puts the fun back in makeup, because this was certainly fun. It was a challenge and I did not know how I was going to pull it off. The best thing about it is it will force you to try new things, try new colors, and it will get you to play with your makeup so that you can see what colors go together and how to blend and how to do, because as you can see, when I went back in and added more colors and did a little bit more blending, it looks much better. So this will help you practice to learn how to use your makeup and to actually use it and for it to be fun. Makeup is supposed to be fun, and it all washes off. If you don't like it, it all washes off. You can draw some more cards. You can do the matchy-matchy thing, or just pick cards out of the deck and play with your makeup. There's all the shades that I used. It really does go with that lipstick really well, doesn't it? Thank you so much, Renee, for doing this collab with me. I cannot wait to see what kind of look you create, because Renee is a blending queen. She's much better at blending than I am, although I didn't do too shabby. But I'm telling you, when Renee is done, when Ray is done, Nay, her blending is out of this world. It's just phenomenal. She does amazing looks. So make sure you go down in the description box and go check out Renee's video so you can see what kind of shades that Madame Contour picked for her. And I'll have the link down below so that you can go to the Ace Beaute website if you want to check out this palette. It is not an affiliate link. The link is just there for your convenience. Thank you so much for hanging out with me to play Paletteopoly. How awesome is that? I love it. Love it. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, your sister said she was going to buy this so that we could play. So, if she does, then all three of us are going to create a look. You're going to create one too. And we're putting that shit on YouTube. Yes, we are. That's your makeup tip. Get ready. You're about to be YouTube Paletteopoly famous. Mama loves you, boo.